Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see the direct recruitment of assistant professor from the different government colleges, and it is a notice from the State Public Service Commission. The total 328 vacancies are there. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the Unacademy is providing the complete course for the UGC NET paper 1 as well as the paper 2 electronic science, and the details regarding this course is provided at the end of this video. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. I started one Facebook account, guys. And I provided this link in the description box of this video. So please join into this group. So here the group name is Your Mentor, just same as this YouTube channel name. So in this group also, here all the advertisements regarding the assistant professor, teachers and the PhD notifications I posted here. So you will get, or else you will be having a look on all the posts at a glance here. Okay, so join into this group that I provided the link in the description box. And now while coming to the present content of the video, it is Uttar Pradesh Public Service Commission. The last date for the deposition of application fee in the bank is 21st-12-2020 and the last date for submission of online application forms 24 December 2020. Okay, so here the different vacancies are there, okay, that you can go through carefully. And so UP Home Police Department or UP Police Radio Service. So here the two posts are there. And coming to the Department of Higher Education, UP Assistant Professor in Government Degree Colleges of UP in the following subjects. Okay, and here you can check down that the different subjects are mentioned, and the pay band 15,600 to 39,100 rupees with the grade pay 6,000. So it is a level 10 category, and the age is 21 to 40 years. Okay, and coming to the departments: economics, history, Urdu, English, mathematics, home science, zoology and philosophy, geography, physics, psychology, chemistry, political science, botany, commerce, education, sociology, Sanskrit and Hindi. So coming to the assistant professor, here the total 128 vacancies are there, and as per the caste category also mentioned here, so you may check down carefully. Okay, and so application fee is provided here. The online application process after completing the procedure of the first stage, unreserved 80 rupees plus online processing fee is there, and for the remaining category also you can check down OBC exam fee 80 rupees plus online processing fee. So almost unreserved and OBC same exam fee is there, and for the scheduled caste exam fee 40 rupees and the online processing fee 25, the total 65 rupees. And coming to the scheduled tribe, 65 rupees and handicap 25 rupees. The departments of freedom fighters according to the original category, and the ex-servicemen 65 rupees, and women as per the according to the original category mentioned there. And coming to the assistant professor qualifications mentioned here, good academic record with 55% of marks. Okay, so you may check down for the relaxation based upon the caste category. And apart from this one, the UGC NET or SLET or SET qualification must be there. So the candidates who are having the PhD as per the regulations 2009, they are exempted from the NET, SLET or SET qualification. Okay, and here the assistant professor in anesthesiology, okay, and assistant professor in physical medicine and rehabilitation. So the remaining assistant professor posts are also there, so you may check down. And for your reference purpose, I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of notifications. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so please listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC-NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC-NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC-NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC-NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans, guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is SWINIK, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC-NET exam in the 2021, so both the UGC-NET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these 2 courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine, guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC-NET exam in the next sessions. And all the best, guys. Thank you very much.